All right, so we've taken off everything. In order to install the oil catch can, we're putting it at, I believe, the second location here underneath the airbox. There's 2 bolts here that you have to take out, and the bracket lines up to this bolt here. They are 12mm bolts, and we're going to be running the lines next to the intake. As for the block-off plate, be careful with your PCV valve. You may have to buy a new one. Mine was $30 at AutoZone. And you can see that little silver piece in there. Make sure you keep a hold of that and don't lose that. Very important. And you may want to pick up a new gasket as well. We're going to use the included hose to clamp onto the PCV valve here. Then use this 90 degree that was included in the Damond kit to have it come straight towards the front of the car. Then we're going to do another 90 here to have it go to the oil catch can. Here we have the check valve pointing in towards the intake.
This is just the factory PCV hose that was also going towards the intake. We went ahead and cut that off at that 90 degree angle.
So here we have the final runs for the hoses. You can see the backplate hose down there for the PCV valve. It's a little bit harder to see the intake, but the intake down here lines up. We're just dragging them right in front of the radiator fans here, and they'll connect nice and easy to the catch can here. So we have everything reinstalled now. We had some issues with additional air in the system, and it was causing a multiple piston firing error. So what we did, because we're not fully there to stage 2 on the oil catch can, we had to put a bag around the filter on the top of it in order to stop it from sucking air, more additional air into the intake, and make sure that the valve on the bottom of the oil catch can is closed all the way. That way you're not sucking in additional oil, because that was the issue in our case, and it caused some pretty catastrophic issues where it would just bog out. So celebrate, we got 2 dip cones. Please do not tell my wife.